Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Alchemist. Today we are going to see the atomic structure and the basics for this lesson like atoms, subatomic particles, etc. The present day accepted structure of the atom is compared to the solar system. Like the planets revolve around the sun in a fixed orbit, similarly, this is a present day accepted structure of the atom. This structure is the present day accepted structure of the atom where nucleus is in the center and electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. So, the present day structure of atom is compared to the solar system. Now we are going to see the atom. What is atom? Atom consists of nucleus and the nucleus is made up of neutrons and protons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. In this, the blue dot revolves around the nucleus and the positive charge is proton and the nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Now we are going to see the subatomic particles. Proton has a charge of plus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, whereas electron has a negative charge of 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, whereas neutron has a charge of 0. You can see that the charge of proton and electron is equal but opposite in charge. So, in an atom, the charge of a proton and electron is equal. An atom is always electrically neutral. Number of protons in an atom is equal to number of electrons in an atom. Now I have one question. Why the electrons revolving around the nucleus? Why don't they fly away from the nucleus? Now we know that electrons are negatively charged and protons are positively charged. And we studied in physics that unlike charges attract each other and like charges repel each other. There is a force of attraction between protons and electrons which pull the electron towards the nucleus. Because of this force of electrons do not fly away from the nucleus. They revolve around the nucleus in a fixed path. Now we are going to see the mass of each particles. The mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram and the mass of electron is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Whereas the mass of neutron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Again, they are big complicated numbers. We use the relative mass of these subatomic particles like the mass of proton is 1 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. The mass of electron is again 1 AMU and the mass of neutron is 1 by 1840 AMU. If you have any doubts, put it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.